everyone, welcome to my channel where I bring mom creations to you. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my bow ties that you guys have seen on my page. And first you'll need is a piece of fabric and a piece of ribbon. You'll need these pieces. They come in sets of 3 at you can get them at Joann's, and then that's all you need. So first you want to just take the piece of fabric and you want to fold it in half. Okay, and then you want to sew down the middle along the Okay, it looks like this. And I'm actually making a toddler one. Okay, so it looks like that. And next I will make the neck part. So you want to take this piece first. You put it in. Like that, and then you want to just sew along the edge here. This, and then you have your ribbon. So next you want to put in this piece here, just like that. Pull it through, and then at the other end you want to just stick it in just like that. Okay, so now you have this piece and this piece, and then you want to just sew this last part just right there, okay? So once you're done folding it, sticking it in, you just want to sew down the middle. Then I usually just put this needle through and then I just pull down. And then I just sew it in place. So this is going to be the front and then this is going to be the back. So then you have that piece you just sewed across this right here. Again, you open it up in the middle and you just put this part in the front where you want it. Okay, and then you take this piece here and put it in the back. And you pull this apart around. Usually I just kind of fold it like this and then you just sew along right here. And so there you go, you have your cute, adorable little bow tie ready to go. And then you can just hook it back here like that. And there it is. Thanks for watching.